Performing engineering calculations and need to open an MCDX worksheet for Mathcad Prime? These document mathematical work with full formulas and units. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Mathcad Prime worksheet files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single highly effective MCDX file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. An MCDX file is a worksheet created by PTC Mathcad Prime, a software for engineering calculations. Users interact with this file to perform, document, and share complex mathematical calculations and designs. It combines live math notation, text, and graphs in a single readable document, making it essential for technical professionals. The MCDX format is an OPC, Open Packaging Conventions container, essentially a zip archive containing multiple XML and other resource files. This XML-based structure was chosen to improve interoperability, allow for easier data recovery from corrupted files, and enable programmatic access to the worksheet's mathematical and textual content. PTC Mathcad Prime. From PTC is the core program designed for the MCDX structure. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows supports basic document visibility, though deeper editing requires proper tools. To bypass the default application error, right-click the MCDX file and choose Open With. Prioritize PTC Mathcad Prime if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. If the MCDX file won't open, don't panic. Your system failed to open the MCDX file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, opening in Mathcad Prime. Launch PTC Mathcad Prime and use File then Open to load the MCDX file. The application opens the worksheet, displaying mathematical content with live calculations. Edit equations, modify variables, and add new calculations as needed. Mathcad Prime recalculates automatically, updating dependent calculations and plots throughout the worksheet for engineering analysis. Next, examining as zip archive. Rename the MCDX file extension to zip and extract using any archive tool to examine the worksheet's XML content. The extracted folder contains XML files defining the worksheet structure, mathematical content, and embedded objects. This is useful for understanding the format, developing third-party tools, or recovering content from corrupted MCDX files. Finally, converting to PDF. Use Mathcad Prime's export function to convert MCDX files to PDF format for sharing with users who don't have Mathcad. Open the worksheet and use File Export, selecting PDF as the output format. The PDF preserves visual layout and equations, enabling distribution of engineering calculations to clients, reviewers, or archives without requiring Mathcad licenses for viewing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.